Heyo, welcome back. Okay, in today's video you guys will see that this is my normal stack of 12 layer 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. I made up 2 of these. I stuck them in the forge. I forge welded and drew out both of them, and then I stuck them against each other and cleaned them up and then drew that out. So it was 24 layer bar that I had. It turned out to end up at around 17 centimeters. I don't know what that is in inches. I'll put that in the description. After that, I cut it into 4 centimeter squares, stacked that on top of each other, so it was about 4 layers high, which equated to just under 100 layers. That is in the forge right now. So probably the next clip you guys will see is me forge welding that little all 4 squares together and drawing that into a final billet for a knife, that little Skinner knife. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of forge welding that I do with my 4-ton log splitter. That thing is a beast. I love it. And I got 2 or 3 others in the forge right now, so I'll show you guys some of that. Let's do her. Sorry guys, my phone overheated when I was doing that on the 4-ton log splitter. So here's that bar with the 4 stacks. It's around just under 100 layers right now, and I drilled a bunch of divots in it. Can't turn it around, it's too hot. Both sides, right there. And I'm gonna flatten this out for the last and final billet. Here you go, quick switch. Okay, so I blew this up on the computer, enlarged it a bit, and I did a few test runs on handles and stuff, and I ultimately decided to go with this one. I'm not going to do any fanciness here. This is where I'll weave the paracord through, because he does not want handle scales on here. He says he wants the paracord, which is perfect. So there's the blade. It is the cold steel mini tack skinner, very nice. And here's the billet I have made thus far. Now, there's an obvious problem here, which will be rectified as soon as we throw it in the forge, because I will forge this into a tip, I will forge in the handle, and in turn that should stretch this out. Should. Thickness, I am going to guess here is 1/4 inch. Thickness on this thing is 5/16, which is pretty good, I think. It's going to get forged down, ground down, because there's still a bunch of divots here from where I drilled it for the raindrop pattern. Anyway, let's get on with this. Let's throw this in the forge and turn it into something absolutely incredible. Okay,